What's going on, people? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Matt here at Ozark Fence. We did a video recently showing a few tools in the tool bag, and we got a couple comments that they'd like to see some tools of the larger variety that we keep on the truck. So today we have a few tools to show you what we keep in our tool bag, starting with number one. Number one. Some 2x4 jigs for building privacy fence. We have lots of different sizes in these. These are for 6-foot privacy fence. These are incredibly handy to keep on the truck because you never know when you're going to be building some privacy fence. Number two. A chain link rake, because how are you going to get your chain link tight without some sort of device to grab the chain link and help you stretch it? Number three. A good step ladder. It's very important to be able to reach where you're trying to work. Trying to do 8-foot fence or even 10-foot fence without one of these is gonna make for a really long day. What's this doing in the way? T-post. Number four. A post driver. And yes, it actually does fit in the bag. The post driver is great. It saves manpower and it helps us drive posts when we're able to drive them. This particular one we've had for a while. It's a Rhino brand, best of the best, and will pound pretty much anything that will fit within the chuck. We pound specifically T-post for the most part, but it'll also pound 2-inch post and 2.5-inch post where we can get away with it. So this has been a pretty good list so far of some extra tools that we keep on the truck of the larger variety, but it really wouldn't be a complete list without having, in my opinion, the best tool to carry on your truck at all times. An extra helper.
Thanks, Matt.
Yeah. He's my lucky charm. He's Irish and he's bald, so I rub his head for good luck. There you have it. Quite the complete list of larger tools to keep in the tool bag. Now, I know I didn't cover all of the large tools, but each one of those tools serves a great purpose, especially the last one. Going it alone on a job sometimes can be overwhelming. It's always great to have extra help. Comment down below, tell us what you think. Let us know of any great larger tools that we missed that you keep on your truck, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.